Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And today, a vendor sent me another. It's a free product. This is a paid shoppable video. And if you've watched any of my content, you know I love cigar stuff. And this is a portable cigar humidor for a person on the go, taking your cigars to the cigar lounge. So let's open this up and see exactly what we have inside here, shall we? So on the top here, it includes 2 cigar cutters and a punch. Let's open that up and see what it looks like inside, shall we? How classy is that? And you got your hygrometer right here telling you the humidity inside the humidor itself. How cool is that? So, looking at it right here, you have first thing you have here is your angle cutter. So if you ever want to just angle cut, all you do is you open it up, push your cigar in there, and cut. And you get a nice angle cut. Look at that nice angle, that nice chew out of there. Gives you a lot more area to gnaw on and have air streaming through there. Very nice. Or if you're not an angle cutter guy, maybe you're a guillotine person, gal. So then you can pull this up. This gives you a nice flush cut. So you just take that. I'm not going to waste another cigar, so I'm going to use the same cigar. You put that in there. Push it firmly. Oh, not so firmly that you come out the back end. Firmly. Then you get a nice flush cut. Look at that. Cut that angled cut right off of there. Beautiful. Nice. Very nice. And that all comes right in the top. Now it's too late to actually use this cigar punch. But all you would do for the cigar punch is use this little tool right here. And you can just, if this was still sealed on the end, you can just take a punch right out of the end here, just like so. But it's not sealed, so it's not going to work. But then you put this back in here, and it pushes the cigar parts right out there. So you have all of that equipment right off top, handy inside your humidor. Very nice. Clicks, the lid closes and clicks, so it's not going to fall out of there. So that's just one part of it. So now we open up the inside. It comes with, you got a foam top here that you could probably actually wet to increase your humidity if you'd like to. That's probably what I would do, just because it comes a little bit dry, I think. It does, though, have your humidity control packs. And all you do is, this is a 2-way humidity control pack. You just open these up, put them in here, and if it's too much humidity, it will take the humidity out. If it's not enough humidity, it will let the humidity back in. So it's just an ebb and flow all the time. It just keeps the humidity perfect inside your humidor. You just take those out of the packs. And so you can actually have room on the bottom shelf for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 without stacking, 5 cigars. And I mean, you could probably stack some if you really had to. And then you have a top shelf that you can put 5 more on. Really nice case. Compact. Very nice. Goes back in there. Close it up. And you have airtight. It's airtight all the way around. Has a strap to carry it. Go out and get your light tune portable humidor for yourself or that cigar lover in your life this Christmas or anytime.